Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. We've got another unboxing. This is the brand new Yoga C930 from Lenovo. This was sent to the channel on loan, so we're done with this. It goes back to them. Nobody is paying for this unboxing, nor is anyone reviewing or approving what you are watching before it is uploaded, and all the opinions are my own. So let's take a look and see what is inside the box here. This is the main unit. Now, this is a pricier laptop than what we usually look at on the channel. I do like to look at these from time to time. This one starts at around $1,400 here in the United States. So this is a little more expensive than some of the other devices we typically look at. But very nice, as you can see. This is very similar to the 920 that we looked at a year ago. Again, it starts around $1,400. I think this one has a 4K touch display on it. 13.9 inches. It's got an i7 8550U processor inside. That is the new quad-core chip that came out a little earlier this year. And this is a 2-in-1, so you can use it like a tablet if you want. It's not all that large and heavy. It looks pretty nice here. I think it's got again a 4K display on this particular one, and we'll have a full review of this soon on the main channel at lon.tv. The biggest change here, though, is that they changed the hinge mechanism to make it into a sound bar, which has now got Dolby Atmos sound, so we'll take a look and see how that sounds. I do like that old look, that chain link watch band kind of look to the old ones. This one is a little different, but it's got the speaker integrated right in there, so we'll see how the sound is on this one in that full review. This is what it looks like on the bottom here. And let's take a look at the other stuff in the box. So we've got this box here, which looks like a power cable. It is powered by USB-C, and that reminds me we didn't go through all of the ports on here. On the left-hand side, we've got a USB 3.0 port. We've got a Thunderbolt port here and another Thunderbolt port there. We'll check and see how many lanes you get with that. Headphone, microphone jack over there. On the other side is nothing, just the power switch here. So that is it for that. And it looks like there might be something that you could put in this panel here, but this laptop does not appear to have that. It might have a 4G modem or something, or these could be Wi-Fi antennas. This is an all-metal case, so that could be what those are for there, because it looks like there's some contacts to something inside the computer there. So that is that. Oh, look at this. There's a pen on the back here, too. So you have an active, I'm assuming, an active stylus here on the back. Pretty cool. So we'll test out that pen when we get to the full review as well. Let's see what else is in the box here. We've got that power supply, which we looked at. It does power via one of those Thunderbolt ports, so keep that in mind. And we've got just the US power cable here, and that appears to be it on this one. So stay tuned. We're going to have a full review of this coming up very shortly on the main channel at lon.tv, and we'll be putting this new expensive laptop through its paces. Stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Too Much Sauce, Gerard Nuberg, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.